Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to remove Instagram Reels watermark. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on
Good
Instagram
morning,
app.
guys.
Okay, then tap on Reels and choose any Reels. Okay, tap on share icon and click on copy links. Then back, tap on Safari browser and Chrome browser. Any app open and search on as Instagram. Okay, then Instagram videos download, just click, then this link paste here, then download, tap on download. Okay, download. Okay, then save. Okay, then open in. Open in download
Good morning,
this
guys.
video and to remove Instagram Reels watermark and download your gallery this video. That's all. Thanks for watching.